Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to mint Walrus Nft. Connect your wallet to a marketplace and fund it with enough crypto for gas fees and listing costs. Upload your Walrus artwork and add a clear title, description, and tags to help discoverability. Choose royalty settings and confirm minting details before signing the transaction in your wallet to complete the process securely and confidently. Gather your Walrus artwork files and prepare metadata that tells a story about your piece to attract collectors. Resize or compress images to meet marketplace limits without losing key detail. Consider adding unlockable content like high-res files or exclusive perks to increase value. Save everything in a secure backup so you can restore or remint if needed, and keep your artist credentials ready for verification and promotion. Choose the minting method that fits your goals, such as lazy minting to reduce upfront cost or on-chain for permanence and provenance. Configure royalties and addition limits so you earn future revenue from resales. Review estimated gas fees and pick a time when network congestion is lower to save costs. Double-check metadata, preview the listing, and sign the transaction to mint your Walrus Nft with confidence and clarity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.